Hello guys, yes, it's me, again. I bet you're tired of these, but, here is the endangered bird series. These are all endangered birds. Okay, first we have the iwi. We have the whooping crane. This guy's actually really rare. I mean, he's like super rare, like, I hardly ever see this guy. Mine doesn't work. Look, he's like a rattle. So, I left him out in the rain once. Worst mistake of my life. And, this is the Kirtland's warbler. Definitely one of my absolute favorites out of all of this series, and maybe all of them. Here's the ivory-billed woodpecker, who's also, special edition as well. Atwater's Greer prairie chicken, also pretty rare. And, we got Toots from Beast of Vireo Park, if you remember that. He's a northern spotted owl. Okay, this is all. They're like, these are all from 2006, except for this one, which is from 2005.